In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open PowerPoint on your laptop in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're preparing for a big presentation, sharing information in a classroom, or simply wanting to run through your slides before a big meeting, knowing how to quickly access Microsoft PowerPoint on your laptop is a skill that's becoming increasingly necessary in our tech-centric world. Let's dive right into it. The first step might seem pretty straightforward, but it's where everything begins. If you're using a Windows laptop, you're going to start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. It's usually located at the bottom left between the Control and Alt keys and has the iconic Windows logo on it. Now, if you're on a MacBook, you'll be looking for the Command key instead. This key is often found on both sides of the space bar and is marked with a looped square that many refer to as the splat symbol due to its appearance. Once you've pressed the Windows or Command key, the search bar should appear prominently on your screen. This leads us to our next step, typing PowerPoint into the search bar. It might sound overly simple, but correctly spelling PowerPoint is crucial, as typos could lead the search function astray, rendering it unable to locate the application on your device. Typing this out will prompt your system to begin searching for the PowerPoint application installed on your laptop. After you've entered PowerPoint and hit enter, the search results should show the Microsoft PowerPoint application as one of the top options, if not the very first. This is where step 3 comes into play. You'll want to open your MS PowerPoint application by clicking on it. A single left click should suffice, but on some laptops, especially touch-enabled ones, a simple tap on the screen where PowerPoint appears in the search results will do the trick as well. Now, I want to take a moment here to address something that might seem minor but can make your experience a lot smoother. Sometimes, if you've just installed PowerPoint or haven't used it in a while, it might take a bit longer to open as the system sets things up behind the scenes. Don't worry if it seems like it's taking a few seconds longer than expected. This is perfectly normal. As we move on to the final step of this process, you'll likely find yourself looking at the PowerPoint opening screen. This is where you can access recent files, start a new presentation, or open a specific file from your computer. For today's purpose, we'll focus on opening an existing file. To do this, look for the Open option on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on it will allow you to browse your laptop for any PowerPoint presentations you've previously worked on. If it's a recent file, you might see it immediately under the Recent section, making it even easier to access. During this final step, it's not uncommon to discover files you hadn't closed properly the last time you worked on them. PowerPoint is quite adept at recovering unsaved presentations, so if you're presented with a recovered file, don't hesitate to open it and save it immediately to prevent any potential loss of work. And there you have it. You've successfully opened Microsoft PowerPoint on your laptop, and you're ready to dive into your presentation. Keep in mind, practice makes perfect. The more you navigate and use PowerPoint, the more comfortable and efficient you'll become at accessing and utilizing its features. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a couple of additional tips to enhance your PowerPoint experience. First, consider pinning PowerPoint to your taskbar if you're a Windows user, or to your dock if you're on macOS. This simple action can save you the search time in the future, making PowerPoint just a click away. Secondly, don't forget about the power of shortcuts. Once you have PowerPoint open, learning and using keyboard shortcuts can significantly speed up your work. Thank you for joining me in today's video. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to brush up on their PowerPoint skills, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, the key to mastering any software is regular use and exploration. Don't be afraid to dive into PowerPoint's various features and discover new ways to make your presentations stand out. Happy presenting,